So,
Action replay.
Sharadia, what has been your experience of the workshop?
Introduce करूँ क्या पहले अपने
Yes.
आप को? Okay.
Introduce
Hi,
yourself.
I'm Mrs. Shardia Moili and I'm very happy, really very happy to join this workshop. The experience had been really nice in terms of learning, in terms of analysis, in terms of actually understanding how the finance is. I do have a degree in MBA, but somewhere down the line I felt that degree was not enough. When it came to analysis of financial statements, actually understanding them, there were many complicated financial reports. Understanding what actually the market or the people in the company are trying to say, I didn't understand. But now, if not 100%, at least 85% I do understand, and all thanks to this class and all thanks to you, sir.
I got this. I got this. And what would you recommend to people who may think of joining this workshop?
I really recommend people to come and join this workshop to learn, because I think you are teaching in a really very good way.
Another thing, do you think that this workshop can help you in terms of getting opportunities into equity research world?
Of course.
Okay, and what
Definitely, yes.
makes you think that?
What makes me think that is, in interviews, when...
You see, it is one thing that we are saying,
Yeah.
that it will help you to get placements, but now you have gone through the entire workshop.
Yeah, I've gone through the entire workshop. I don't have prior experience in all this. Work experience, I have work experience in lending domain. That is related to finance, but it is a microscopic.
It is not core finance.
Yes, it's not core finance.
Right.
I wanted to get into core finance, and my last company didn't provide me that platform. But now, at least with this knowledge, with this degree, I have a certification. So at least I can say that, if not on the expert level, at least at a junior level, or what should I say, more than junior level, as not exactly at a junior level, I would be able to tackle and work on all these things. Like equity research, investments, understanding balance sheet and P&L, cash flows.
Got it. Thank you.
Maybe
Thank you very much. Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Perfect. Anything else you want to say?
Nothing. That's it. I'm quite happy.
Got it.
I am happy I could complete that class.
Got it. Got it. Thanks, Aradhya. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.